So I booger. But like, like when someone like sneezes and then you say bless you, to keep like their soul inside their body because like it might escape. Because I was thinking like, where would that come from? But then I realized like when you sneeze, right, it's usually like a virus. It's like, it's some sort of pathogen that's gonna leave your body. Right? Use like water molecules and some other sucker might like absorb it, and then give them a bunch of problems too. But the concept of like bless you, keeping your soul inside, because like viruses aren't living things, they just like they're parasites, they just like go into something, they absorb it, they replicate, and then it just dies. The host dies eventually. But it almost like controls it, like a puppet, like where the host loses their soul, guys. Like the host loses their soul, like their autonomy. You know? Like Invasion of the Body Snatchers or something. Like you lose your ability, your free will. It's gone. Because this thing is now controlling you. But it's not really alive. It's like a parasite, It just controls, it lives off of you, which has autonomy, And a virus is like the complete opposite of like, like a like your sperm, like your sperm shoots, a chew, it shoots, but then it makes the person. But the person has personhood, autonomy, like decisions and stuff. You have free will. But a virus isn't that, it's a complete opposite of that. It's just death. But it's still there. Like it can still replicate and stuff, which is weird. That's so weird. And then when you sneeze, a chew, what you're doing is like you're saying bless you, so your soul, your autonomy stays intact, and it's not being eaten alive by this plague, by this horseman, if you will. Guys, bless you. It keeps your autonomy, Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's all I have to say.